welcome back to the plot. I haven't been down for a few days because we've been inundated with colds and coughs at home, but I've got my list of jobs that I need to get done. How much I'm going to get done today I don't know because the ground's still pretty frozen, but I've got about an hour while I'm having my lunch, so let's have a look and see how many jobs we can get done. Right, let's get going. Oh, actually, cut that. Let's cue the music and speed things up a bit. Okay, we're doing well, but it's time to get the hat off and speed things up a bit. So that's time up, and we've done quite a bit. Weeding wasn't as successful as I thought it might be because the ground is just too frozen, but we managed to get a little bit done. We've got a lettuce for lunch, and it's actually, with the sun out today, it's not feeling too cold at the moment, so a bit of tidying up to do, get home, have some lunch. That's job's done. Join me next time, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Let other people know that it's worth watching. Cheers. See you later.